the clock. Jaw tight, fist small, room shakes on the drop. Hey, I bite my tongue, hold that spark on the tip. You pull my strings, I let 'em crack, let 'em rip, teeth on glass. Heart burns through the seams, you talk soft, I answer back in a scream. This is the sound of melody, tearing up the quiet part of me. I let the noise rewrite my name, split my voice and feed the flame. This is the sound of melody, rough and raw and never pretty. I lose control but I feel free. This is the sound. This is the sound of me. 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 You say relax, I load another strike. Sharp tone, cold laugh, both of us alike. I shake, but I don't back away. You push, I break, and I come back louder every day. This is the sound of melody, tearing up the quiet part of me. I let the noise rewrite my name, split my voice and feed the flame. This is the sound of melody, rough and raw and never pretty. I lose control but I feel free. This is the sound. This is the sound of me. This is the sound of me. This is the sound of me.